My name is Dirk Wegener. I'm Global Head of Corporate Insurance at Deutsche Bank and also a Vice President of FIRMA, which is the European Association of Risk Management Associations. What I think for the banking industry, we are obviously fully exposed to all these global trends like geopolitical risks, demographic risks, macroeconomic risks, and so on and so forth. Maybe more specific to banks is the obvious renationalization of regulations. Things like quantitative easing, so low interest rates, the low interest rate environment, which makes it difficult for us, plus the move and changes in technology, so digitalization, which is also a huge opportunity for us. The role of risk management into the enterprises are pretty much driven by these changes in terms of that the subject of our actions will change. Nevertheless, I think from a methodology standpoint, it's pretty much the same thing. So everything starts with the analysis of the situation and then followed by developing mitigation actions and then finally executing same. For us, if you just focus on those who have more relevance for banking, let's see the regulation as an example. This has obviously consequences internally, so we need to train our people to make sure that they have an understanding that regulation is very different in various countries we operate in, and so on and so forth. So on the mitigation side, I see a lot of changes. When it comes then to the ultimate risk transfer, there are changes as well. For example, on the technology side, so cyber is a threat which is not completely new, but obviously has increased over recent years. And there we find some niche products to even transfer to insurers, for example. I think you can see it from a more technology standpoint, how we transfer risks to you. I know that in particular your company is doing a lot of efforts when it comes to blockchain technology. How can we apply the blockchain technology to the way we transfer actually business to you? But also internally on the risk mitigation side, if you think about big data, for example, that might be an opportunity to actually mitigate risks like internal, external fraud, anti-financial crime exposures, and so on. So yes, it has an influence, and there's also an influence on the more risk transferring perspective that we share with you. I would say so, yes. There are encouraging examples. I already mentioned cyber insurance. I think this is an example where really you were on the forefront, in particular on the forefront to offering this product to financial institutions, which was much appreciated by us. Well, I think first and foremost, it's a caretaker. It's somebody who understood our needs and to best of his or her capability is trying to, let's say, manage Zurich to meet our needs then, ultimately. It is somebody who clearly understands where we are coming from as an industry, but also as an individual company. And this is really the value. And it's important that this is a sustainable relationship. So over the years, there's a lot of trust between the people engaged. So it's a people's business. And this is very helpful.